Do you need high-quality windows, doors, and siding replacement? Look no further than AllGuard Windows and Doors. As a local, family-owned business in northern Fort Collins, we take pride in offering our valued customers the best products and services. What sets us apart? It's our commitment to providing exceptional customer service, professional craftsmanship, and reliable installations. When you choose AllGuard Windows and Doors, you choose a team that goes above and beyond to ensure your satisfaction. Our expert technicians will guide you through the entire process, from selecting the perfect windows and doors to completing a flawless installation. We understand the importance of a beautiful and functional home and are here to make your dreams a reality. So why wait? Call us today at AllGuard Windows and Doors and let us transform your home with our unbeatable products and services. AllGuard Windows and Doors is your trusted choice for all your windows, doors, and siding replacement services.